Hey loves, so today we're going to talk about the chocolate orange palette from iHeart Makeup / iHeart Revolution, Makeup Revolution, Revolution Beauty, however you want to say it. They changed iHeart Makeup to iHeart Revolution, so this one still says iHeart Makeup because I obviously bought it before then. We're going to add another palette to our chocolate series. I know it's taking forever for me to get these videos, but I felt like this was the perfect time. I felt like doing something kind of orangey, pumpkin spice-y today, so we are just going to jump in and play with this palette. Before we get into it, please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel. Alright love, so I clearly already have my base. I'm wearing the Conceal and Define foundation in F1. I have the Tarte Shape Tape and Fair under my eyes. Sculpt and Glow from Profusion on my cheeks, along with a little bit of this highlighter from Wet n Wild. So that is what is on my face. My brows are also the LA Girl Shady Brow Pencil in Soft Brown. This is what the palette looks like. Obviously, there will be swatches at the end of this video, but for right now. So this was one of the last palettes that came out with the original format where there was a sponge tip applicator in the bottom. And this is what the palette looks like. It's really beautiful. It's definitely a really great fall palette. I have primed my lids as well with the Urban Decay Anti-Aging Primer Potion and some concealer. So I'm not sure what we're gonna do. Let's start with this guy over here, this little orangey guy. This one does not have the shade names on it. It did come with this, but ooh, it's a little powdery, but it also looks like it's going to be decently pigmented. So let's see how this goes. I know that we've done a lot of orangey and yellow looks lately. I'm sorry, but this was definitely the next most requested chocolate palette. Really nice pigmentation. It's blending really well. I really like these chocolate palettes personally, and I just feel like, especially even the newer ones, are just so good. I still love the Naked Chocolate one so much though. I smell the orange. I smell the orange, especially now that I'm getting into the shadows. I'm gonna go ahead and take this light matte cream shade and pop that on the brow bone per usual. Oh, it's got kind of a sheen, so maybe it's a little bit satin. I'm going to take that same first orange shade that we used and pop it under here. I think I want to put this guy in the crease. Using my Carity E30 brush, this is my favorite for my crease because this gets right into that crease, and I'm able to, like, if I put it on one side of the brush, I can put it in the crease and then blend upwards because I have hooded lids and I have a small lid space. So I don't like to put too much shadow there unless I want it to be my lid shade. I hope that makes sense. Too much darkness there unless that's what I'm going for. I'm going to go in with that same shade I just put in the crease and pop it on my lower lash line. This is another Carity brush, the E28. Oh, jeez, Luna. She scared me. Okay, let's see if I can finish doing makeup with Luna on my lap. We're going to dip into this shade, the darkest shade in the palette, and just put that right on the outer corner, focusing it mostly out here, again with that same E30. You can just see how that's adding a little more depth to the look. Now again, same thing, that same darkest shade that we put on the top in the crease, we're going to mimic it on the bottom, mostly on this outer corner. We're just going to pack a little bit of this lighter shimmery satin shade on the lid just to kind of create a base for the glitter we're going to put on. You could do a cut crease if you want. I'm going to keep it a little easier today. I'm going to take this sponge tip and take that same shade and pop it in the inner corner, as well as down here. Okay, we're going to use the BH Cosmetics Base Booster. This is a glitter and shadow glue. I'm just putting a little bit on the back of my hand. And the glitter we're going to use is the Spiced Pumpkin from BH Cosmetics as well. See it in there? Look how pretty this is. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm just going to take a little and tap it in the lid. Oh my goodness, you guys. It's so pretty. Taking a little bit of that glue. All right, because I'm extra, I'm gonna use these two liners because I like how black this one is, but I like how thin the tip is on this one. So this is the Revolution Renaissance Flick in the Physicians Formula Eye Booster Pen in Ultra Black. Obviously you don't need to use two. I'm just crazy. I'm going to take a little bit of the Colourpop Swerve liner just to put on the outer corner of my eye because I like to have my liner look connected to my lower lash line. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put on some mascara and these lashes right here. These are the Cara 805s. I love the 805s and the 702s so much. They both look like this with the like separated spiky bits, but this one has a wing on the end and the 702 is just kind of, I think they're longer in the middle. So I'm gonna put on the mascara and be right back. So today we're gonna use the Liquid Linen in Mel. I have not tried any of the liquid linens from BH Cosmetics, but I was so excited and I love the shade of this. It's like a super orange, like burnt red. And the only real orange lip liner that I have right now is Dohee from Colourpop, which I don't believe is available anymore. I'm sorry. You honestly don't really need a lip liner with most liquid lipsticks. If you just kind of cut out the line with the applicator, you're good. I'm just going to use this because I have it. Alright love, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys liked it. And also I will insert the swatches for this palette now so you guys can get a feel for it. I really do enjoy this palette. I was pleasantly surprised. This is one of the most orange looks that I have done, and I feel like you can really see the orange. I do feel like my lipstick is not showing up as orange as it is on camera. It looks much more red. It is a red, but it's a very, very orange, like kind of burnt orange based red. So just keep that in mind if you want to pick this guy up because I don't think it's translating correctly. Yeah, I really love this palette. I was super impressed with all of the shades that I used. I feel like this is a perfect palette for fall if you're looking for something with a lot of orange tones, a little bit of burnt reds, burnt orangey browns, and this is the palette for you. It has a nice dark brown. It has a brow bone highlight that's matte or shimmery. You've got both. I love how they include those shades in bigger pans because I feel like they are most used. I think if I redid this look, I might put more of an orange shadow underneath that glitter because I'm so used to using the liquid glitters that like have some pigment to them as well. So I think that's what I was thinking when I chose to put the cream shade on my lid. Because this is a loose glitter, you can see the base underneath, and I think I would have liked it more had I done some orange underneath it. I probably would have just used that same orange right here for the base, or maybe one of the deeper ones, just depending on how smoky you want to go. Yeah, so I'm a fan of this palette. I'm sure that's not a surprise, but I really am impressed with it. I've only used it, I think, like once before. I don't know why I don't reach for it more. It's so good. These palettes are just so good. I love the chocolate palettes so much. I just feel like they are so cute. Look at this packaging. So cute, so pigmented, and they're super affordable. Given, I think this one you have to get on revolutionbeauty.com, so you will have to order it in the UK if you're in the US like me, but it's totally worth it. They have so many different chocolate palettes now. I don't even know how many they have. And now they release those holiday sets, which I'm about to film a haul, which will probably be up before this, with a couple of the holiday sets, and they're just so, excuse me, so cute. So cute. So yeah. 2 thumbs up from me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and share it if you could. And please let me know down in the comments which chocolate palette you want to see next. And I will try and do that for you. All right, please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye. I think we're just going to pack some of this. What am I saying? I should have opened this first before I put that glue on the back of my hand, but the power of editing, no. Except for this will probably end up in the bloops and then you'll know. It is impossible to film with these kittens. You're so cute. Hi. Where did I just put it? It's probably gonna make my teeth look a little yellow, which, oh, jeez, Luna. The only really orange lip liner, what? There's some really fun shades in there. I feel like this is a perfect palette.